Twinkle time.
Imagine a world where some animals can walk on walls like magic, disappear into thin air, glow in the dark, or lift objects far heavier than themselves. Sounds like a superhero movie, right? But these aren't superheroes from comics. These are real animals, each with amazing powers that will blow your mind. Stay tuned, because in the next few minutes, we're revealing the top 10 animals with superpowers, from the tiniest insects to the giants of the wild. You won't believe what nature can do. First up, meet the gecko, the master of walls and ceilings. With tiny hairs on its feet, a gecko can stick to almost any surface and walk on walls like magic. Imagine walking upside down without ever falling. That's the gecko's superpower. Next, we have the bat, the ultimate night pilot. Bats find their way in complete darkness using echolocation. They send out sounds and listen for echoes to know exactly where everything is. This helps them catch insects perfectly. Bats are one of nature's most skilled night hunters. Then comes the firefly, nature's glowing light show. With a special chemical reaction in their bodies, fireflies can light up the night sky. They use this glow to attract friends and communicate through pulses of shining light. A real-life living lantern. Don't underestimate ants. These tiny creatures are incredibly strong for their size. Some ants can lift objects 50 times heavier than themselves. Imagine a human lifting a car with ease. That is ant super strength. Meet the octopus, the ultimate escape artist of the ocean. With no bone, it can squeeze through spaces smaller than its body. It can squirt ink to confuse predators and even grow back lost arms. Its smarts and flexibility make it a true underwater superhero. Now, the chameleon, nature's ultimate master of disguise. By changing the color of its skin, it can hide perfectly in its surroundings, staying safe from predators or sneaking up on prey. Dolphins are social geniuses. Using clicks, whistles, and body language, they communicate and solve puzzles. They even help other animals in need. Their intelligence and teamwork make them the superheroes of the ocean. And now we meet the gentle giant, the elephant. With its strong trunk, an elephant can lift huge objects and uproot trees. It can carry heavy loads, and combined with their amazing memory, these giants are nature's living powerhouses. Kangaroos are next, the ultimate jumpers. Their strong legs and tail let them leap over 30 feet in a single bound. Fast, agile, and strong, they are nature's perfect land athletes. Finally, the cheetah, the fastest land animal on Earth. With a flexible spine, long legs, and incredible acceleration, cheetahs can run up to 70 miles per hour, racing across the savannah like living lightning bolts. So, which animal superpower amazed you the most? From sticky gecko feet to the incredible speed of a cheetah, nature has given every creature a special gift. If you loved exploring these amazing animals, watch our Top 10 Smartest Animal video, link in the description. Make sure to like and subscribe. It motivates me to create even more amazing wildlife videos. See you in the next video.